Hello friends, you can purchase Pratham 1.0 from Amazon. Write down GreyRobotics. So there are two products are there. One is sensor and one is Pratham. Click on Pratham. So this is what you can order from here. All the specifications are there. Just go through it. It is hardly 50-gram product. It is very lightweight. And after purchasing Grey GreyRobotics product, you will receive one email which has Pratham 1.0 user manual. So this is a manual. So all the specification, everything is there. These are the main purpose of this board. With you can use Pratham with this application. There are product features and electrical specification. Everything is there. Just go through once. This is a block diagram, overall block diagram of Pratham board. All the features are there, dimensions, then Arduino pin mapping. So different application has a different pins. So all are there. So these are the pins. Different sensors, motors, then LCD, LEDs, all are there. So yeah, that's it. You can purchase from Amazon.